third point of possible solution, also will go pause tonight by the will of Allah. Now, for ensure that we do medical checkup. When we get married, after months, picking no come, we need to ensure that we do a medical checkup. Subhanallah. Don't go into a blame game. Start blaming the woman, or the woman start blaming the man. You guys need to go for a medical checkup by the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In order for straight up the marriage, go do checkup. Now check on yourself. Yes, we realize it picking they come from Allah. Yes, we don't make dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But there is something where they in we capacity. Allah capacitate we in a way that there are things we need for do by the will of Allah. And among them, we need for do medical checkup. There are times you the man, you dey pull water, but your water not strong enough. It's not strong enough for impregnate, for give belle. This is not the reality. The water they come out, yes, not true. As a husband, but it's not strong enough. Medical people will tell you, say you need for take this for boost, subhanallah, the strength of human water by the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And there are times the woman gets complications, internal complications, subhanallah, different types of sickness than they. Sometimes it can be fibroid, for example. Sometimes it can be, subhanallah, maybe a growth, subhanallah. Sometimes it can be a blockage. There are different types of internal problem them. Waking day inside, we don't know. Because sometimes we not get the art for see inside, the ART for see what it happen. So we need for go to those we know. Almighty Allah says in the Quran, "Fas'alu ahla dhikri in kuntum la ta'lamun." Ask those who know if you don't know. So both of us need for go for medical checkup. No, let's say you need for go check 6 months, pikin no come, go for checkup. No, husband and wife, let's go together. Let the doctor go tell me. A master sabi person tell you, say, look, you okay physically, you the man, you okay, you the woman also, you okay, we don't check you, don't scan you, or don't screen you, you okay, there is no problem. Subhanallah, they will not say physically we okay. So when we make dua, we also know that we are okay by the will of Allah. In that case, be a patient. Subhanallah. But many times we not do any check, not do any checkup, subhanallah. Absolutely. We start blaming one another. We have seen some women, they married to a man for a while, they not born picking. Subhanallah. This same woman, when this man left her for not having a child, this woman go marry to another man, a born date, a born twin them. It has happened. Or sometimes what is wrong with us, now we safe. But we pointing fingers so much. We point fingers them. Now you know the problem. Now you know the problem. Let's find a solution by the will of Allah. So if we don't go, medical doctor tell you, man, so you get this problem, we'll find a solution. Inshallah, if not for treat them, we treat them. By the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we'll find a cure. Possibly by the mercy of Allah. For both of us, if not both of us get the problem, if not one person get the problem, then we support that one person for treat them. By the mercy of Allah, then when we realize that we are okay physically, we make dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We realizing that picking they come up from Allah, ain't no come, then be a patient. By the will of Allah. Continue, carry on. Inshallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala go bless you by the will of Allah. So when we make dua, we need for ensure also we are okay by the will of Allah. This is now also possible solution number 3 by the will of Allah. We